History books say the city of Paris, Texas, is named after Paris, France. It even has its own replica of the Eiffel Tower. It's 65 feet high and topped with a red cowboy hat. According to local lore, early settlers joked that their rich patch of prairie was so pleasant it was a regular Paris. The soul of the city resides in its historic downtown. Paris was founded in 1844 on a ridge between two rivers. It became a regional center for business, transportation, and the cotton industry. In 1916, all of that progress was nearly lost when a fire ravaged the city, destroying much of the downtown area. Few buildings survived. The people of Paris immediately began to rebuild. Like a phoenix that rose from the ashes, a new downtown was resurrected in just 5 years. It reflected the architectural trends of the time, like the R.F. Scott Building in a neo-Gothic style, and the Lamar County Courthouse with its classical revival design. An Italian marble fountain was erected in the town square to symbolize the city's rebirth. Local architect J.L. Weiss designed the piece with curves modeled after those found in Italy. In 1926, the newly built Plaza Theater took on an Art Deco style with its sharp angles and geometric shapes. The preservation of history and perseverance has been essential to Paris residents. And, in case they forget, a small sign in the Lamar County Historic Museum stands as a reminder. Smile, it reads, intended to inspire the tired and heartbroken residents devastated by the fire. It's now known as the slogan that helped rebuild Paris, Texas.
Funding for The Shape of Texas is provided by Texas Society of Architects and by a grant from Humanities Texas, the state affiliate of the National Endowment for the Humanities, and the Summerlee Foundation of Dallas, Texas.